How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Sunday episode. We've got a busy day on the day. We're filming a behind the scenes video. We've just had a load of work authorised on a customer Citroen C4 that you'll see over on our other channel. But this week we want to introduce you to another new car to the channel. It's one we've wanted on the channel for a while. We did have one a couple of years ago and the videos all done really well. For some reason you guys all love them, the internet loves them, the videos always do well. James at Chop's Garage likes them, everybody likes them.
You know
What?
I think we've got a problem.
What?
We've got Japanese nuggets, we've got Korean nuggets, we've had German nuggets,
And then we've got another Italian nugget.
Right, so Dad's just left me and I need to get cracking on with this because we've got quite a lot to do, like Dad said. What I'm going to do first, before I start power washing the outside, is spray some pre-cleaner into these door cards and door checks, or I don't know what they're called. Get it agitated, get it power washed and get all that nice and clean. And then after that, I'm going to ignore the interior for now because a drill brush probably won't even fix that. But yeah, I'll get the door cards done, then we can get the outside done. Do you know what really annoys me? This white tyre lettering. I find it so strange. But anyway, we'll get the door cards done, we'll get the outside power washed, and then we'll get it into the unit and we'll have a look.
Right guys, let's have a wee look round this Fiat 500. Now, this car's got a little bit of a story to tell, hasn't it, Charlie?
Has it?
Do you not know what it is?
I don't know the story.
Do you not know this was accident damaged?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Right. Sorry, I thought I hadn't told you. So I did tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So this car was accident damaged. It is a Category S car and it has been repaired. But
Kinda.
we're not 100% happy with the repair, are we? So if I show you just now, you'll probably spot it a mile away. Can you see it? It's not hard to see. So the bumper here is sitting over the top of the fog light, where it should be tucked in behind it. The gap round the headlight is wrong. The wing to bumper gap is wrong. The bonnet gap is shocking to say the least. And the wing's out of the top. It is also a very, very slightly different shade, but I don't think we can do much about that. It's also out a little bit at the bottom here. So my first concern, there's a couple of wee chips there as well. My first concern is to fix all of this. I don't know why they've done this, because there's headlight repair brackets available for these on eBay for £15. So we'll order up some headlight repair brackets. We'll get the bumper off. I've also spotted this. A bit of welding there that hasn't been cleaned up and tidied up. So yeah, it's been repaired, but it's no to a home built standard, is it, Charlie? No. We can't retail this car until we fix that properly. So yeah, before we set this one back into the wild, we need to fix that properly, because it's... What are you laughing at?
Back into the wild.
Yeah. Yeah, before, when you capture something, you release it. So we've captured this, we're going to fix it, and then we'll release it.
car therapy.
Yes. Now, this car, this is going to be a cheapie, right? Fiat 500s are generally, what are they normally? £3,000 plus. This one is going to be cheaper than that. So, if any of you guys are interested in a Fiat 500 and you want one reasonably cheap, that obviously has been fixed by us, give us a shout. This will be a good one. It's got great spec, other than this bit. So it's got the alloy wheels, which pops don't normally come with. This is a pop, isn't it?
I don't know what Fiat 500's had.
Yeah, this is a pop because it's got the interior. The lounge has got checkered interior. This one's got the alloy wheels, which they don't normally have. Electric windows. Manky seats come as standard. But we will clean these. The lounge has normally got, it's like a tartany checkered pattern on them. Oh, the interior. So dirty. Right. 5-speed gearbox. Microsoft connectivity. The good thing about this is it's got city steering, so the steering can be really light for parking. This has got an upgraded Android head unit, which has got Bluetooth and everything. You can put a GPS card in it. It's got SD card slot as well. Bluetooth connectivity. And the good thing about this is the steering wheel controls still work. So somebody's got the cable to connect it all together, which is great. It's just starting up now. Right, so as you can see, it's all booted up. So I've preset all the radio stations already because I was having a play with it. But you can click on home. It's got Bluetooth, radio, all sorts of stuff. I haven't had a proper play with it yet, but it's got all the features. Navigation's there. I think it's a bit like Google. So you can put an SD card in it, or you can Bluetooth connect it to your phone and share your hotspot, and you can get Google Maps and everything on here as well, which is quite good. It's got YouTube on it, so when you're parked up at the side of the road, you can watch me and Charlie on there. DAB radio. So it's quite a nifty bit of kit. It's nice. I like this. So there we go. It's got some good points. It's a 2009. See, I fixed that, Charlie. Eh?
I see you fixed it.
Nice.
Proud of your show and you for fixing that.
Yes.
You know what really annoyed me?
What?
Front and back, they fitted these new plates and the original holes.
They're bowed.
They're bowed, yeah.
Yep, so we'll hit up AUTOPARTS for some new plates.
I don't even think we need new plates. I think we could just put them on properly.
No, because if you drill the holes, you'll end up seeing a hole at the side of the screw. Do you know what I mean? If you elongate the holes to take the bow out of it.
No, we'll put these in and then we'll tape it on and then it looks like it's screwed.
No, nah. We'll get some new plates for it because they're cheap. Again, 500 wheel, no tyre lettering on this side, so it must have had a new tyre for some reason. Yep, that tyre's brand new. There's a wee bit of touch-up paint needing done there. Unusually for a Fiat 500 this age, the sills are absolutely mint. I've had a look underneath. There's barely any rust on it. It's unreal. I think it might have had a bit of paintwork on the door before. Very slightly different colour again. I'm quite disappointed it hasn't got colour-coded mirrors. Maybe these have been replaced at some point, but I think it could do with having colour-coded mirrors. What do you reckon, Charlie?
Oh yeah, if we're doing paint on it, we could do.
But
I noticed something earlier when I was watching it though.
what?
But I can't seem to see it in this light. But there was overspray marks on the inside of the door card.
Is there? I did notice there's some overspray on the windscreen as well.
Yeah, there's overspray somewhere. So I think something's happening.
Yeah, I think we need to deal with the overspray. We need to clean it up properly. I think we need to straighten up this corner. We need to polish this headlight up so it looks as clean as the other side. I think it'll probably... I don't know if it's had an engine service. The oil is pretty clean looking. Coolant level and everything spot on. Brake fluid level spot on. I think we will get the wheels off it. and just check all the brakes. The handbrake could be doing with being adjusted, so we'll do that. Coolant level looks fresh and at the right level, so I think it might have had a radiator, maybe a second hand one when they put this on, because the coolant does look brand new.
The aircon all works, doesn't it?
Yeah, I also think this is a facelift front bumper, and they've put the slightly newer bumper on, and that's why there's grills in the back, because they don't fit this bumper, but it has got the right ones in it. Looks like a brand new badge. So this wee car's not too bad. I don't think we've got a massive amount of repair work to do on it. It has, you can't really see through there. It looks like it's got new discs and pads on it, which is great. So there's a few wee bits to tidy up. Straighten the front end, fix the gaps, polish the headlights, secure the headlights properly. Couple of wee touch-ups here and there. But we want to do something nice on this, don't we? Something a bit different, just to break up the white. I've seen some with the 500 logo up the side. I've seen some with the Italian flag striped in the side. Anything you can think of, Charlie?
Well, the wheels are all kind of a bit scabby. I kind of wanted to refurb them quickly and make them black or something. Like a gloss
Black wheels. What if, you guys can let us know in the comments as well, what if we go for gloss black wheels?
Satin black 500 badge.
Right, gloss black wheels, 500 logo up the side. We'll wrap the roof gloss black. Just the roof. We'll gloss black wrap the wing mirrors?
Yeah.
Or do you think some dressing on them would make it look alright?
We'll have a look.
Yeah.
I don't think it will be glossy with the dressing, but it might look alright.
Yeah, and we'll get that tyre. Oh, has it got it on this side?
No.
Right, so it's just the two on that side that somebody's coloured in there.
She's on this side.
Somebody's coloured it in. So yeah, I'm thinking we could do something a wee bit different, just add a wee bit of
Make it
slightly different.
Cheap car.
It's cheap.
So there's a little bit of budget to spice it up.
Yeah, as Fiat 500s go, this is very cheap.
I think people have paid more for one off the auction in a lot worse condition.
Easily.
It doesn't work.
Easily. We were bidding on that one on eBay that needed an engine, remember? Mm-hmm. And that went for 1,000. And it didn't even start, drive or run it. I've not revealed the price yet, but we will. We'll reveal the price on this one because I can't believe it either. It's a really, really, really good deal. Wee things like this needs tidied up as well, Charlie. See the sort of green mossy crap behind the indicators? Like, we'll just pop the indicator out and get it clean. Just to tidy it up. Look at my man's got a manky face today.
I've been hard at work.
You've been working hard today.
I've been hard at work.
Black handles. Wrap the handles black, no?
Yeah, maybe.
If we're going to go black roof, black there, black...
Just
I don't know.
chrome it all.
I don't know, guys. We'll have a look on eBay. We'll see what stuff you can get for a Fiat 500 cheap. I'm not going to go mad and spend loads of money on it because it's still going to be a cheap 500.
Halford's mod it.
No, Halford's mod, no. I still want it to be cheap, but I want it to have a little bit of a twist on it so that whoever gets it, there isn't going to be another one like it. So they'll know it's their 500. So right, so that's it. That's a little 500. It's going to be, sorry, this is a bit of a shorter video today because it's been absolutely manic this week with work, hasn't it? If you guys seen the Mazda video, yeah. Oh, that needs machine polished as well. Somebody's tried to wash it with a scouring pad by the looks of it. So yeah, if you guys seen the Mazda video during the week, it's still not running. It's still not running. For some reason, it doesn't seem to have fuel pressure from the fuel pump to the injector rail. So we've got fuel going everywhere else except there. If I get a wee sniff, it starts and runs fine. We just can't get the high pressure side working at the moment. I did find a blown fuse for the fuel pump relay, so I've replaced that. I think There's something else going on with that. But that's for a later video. We'll worry about that later.
Yeah.
That's next week Stevie's problem. So yeah, Fiat 500, Mazda, Citroen C4's now finished, that you can see on the Home Built VIP channel, which I'll leave a link to in the description. The little Hyundai, I've put some tax on it and we've insured it, so we're going to run about in that for a couple of days, aren't we, just to make sure it's alright. The Audi TT, one of the new wings has arrived. I'm expecting the new one to be here on Monday for the other side, and then we're going to get stuck into that. And shall we do it? Shall we tell them? Shall we tell them? Just in case it comes up in any videos.
Tell them a little bit.
Because I think it might have sneaked in a few other videos. But you guys are going to love this one. You ready for this? Got another co-part build on the channel. 2018 Nissan Qashqai. Some light front end damage. We have put some scrap tyres on it. They're not even the right tyres for it because it had 3 Duff tyres. We've put 3 tyres on it just so it can roll around the yard. Airbags are gone. That's a new wing for the Audi. But yeah, airbags are gone. This is quite a tidy car. I'm not going to get into it too much now. But it's a 2018, low mileage, light front end damage, airbags, windscreen. But yeah, that is coming to a video near you soon. So once we've done this Fiat 500 video, we'll get that squared up. The Qashqai will be coming in to get stripped down and a parts list made on it. And then we're going to get the Audi TT done and painted and get rid of that.
And then we might touch the MX-5.
And then we're going to do the MX-5, and then we're going to do the S5. It's all go, guys. So, thanks for listening to my waffle. Thanks for listening to Charlie's waffle.
I never waffle. I don't waffle. I say everything, and everything has meaning.
Okay. Listen, guys, thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.